Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Golf GTI. This vehicle has done just over 55,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control as a feature, as well as assist, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we have our radio to the left, as well as media, smartphone integration and voice control. On the right we have navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.